So I grew up in Trevoli, Illinois, just small farm town. Of course, during COVID, a lot of smaller churches were forced, especially ones that didn't have a live stream setup, they were forced to throw something together to get that, up and going so their members could be involved. And at that time, my dad took the pastorate at the church where we're at now. And so that was our situation. So we didn't have much, and we were just kind of thrown into, we need to get something together. And it just really opened my eyes to there's a really big need here. Took about a year off school during that time, and I was just really praying, about where the Lord would have me. I don't know if I was supposed to go back to the school I was at, go somewhere else. As I was praying about it, I was having a conversation with my family one night, and they're like, have you ever considered West Coast? The first thing that I noticed about West Coast, because I've looked at y'all's website, I've seen the music videos, and that intrigued me that they were just professionally well done. That's when I began to pray, and the Lord just put on my heart, media is such a powerful tool. And it can be used for evil or it can be used for good to spread the gospel. And that's what West Coast has helped me out with so much. It's we can use this to spread the gospel all around the world. I looked for was opportunities to serve in media. I'm a very hands-on learner. If I don't do it myself, it doesn't stick. So that's one thing I'm super thankful for about here. I've gotten to help run slides for service, just practical stuff that you're gonna use in the ministry. With stepping out on your own, going to college by yourself, it just it lets you get to know God on a more personal level. You're away from your family, so it's not your family's God, it's yours now. The Lord has really tried me in the area of faith, and whether that be financially in many different areas, but the Lord has really grown my faith since I've been here at West Coast. Well, I could say so much about the staff here. Not every ministry is like that, where the staff are so eager to help you. They want to, they just truly have a heart. I talked to Dr. Weaver the other day and said, hey, is it okay if we chat for a minute? He said, absolutely, come on over. So that's the biggest thing for me, just showing that they want to take that time to invest in your life. So that means a lot to me. I'm able to go on Barnabas. That's my weekly ministry, where I get to go out every weekend and see different churches. Sometimes it'll be for a big day event, or sometimes it'll just be just to serve. And that is our main purpose, just to serve in every way that we can. That's teaching the kids class, that's preaching, that's doing music, that's helping in media. I have a heart for smaller churches. However, the Lord has been really trying my heart in the area of just being surrendered to wherever He wants me to go. So my name is Drew Henson. I'm from Havana, Illinois. I'm a second semester junior, and I'm a visual arts major.